Morning everybody, welcome to our first maths meeting. Now every Monday I'm going to be doing a maths meeting for year 1 and 2. Today year 1s have got something lined up from Mrs Giles, but if you want to join in with this maths meeting that's absolutely fine. There's going to be lots of different challenges on here, so I hope there's enough for everybody. Now we start every maths meeting with a song, so I'm hoping you're going to join in and not just make me sing it on my own. Are you ready? Okay. We love maths, yes we do, we love maths. Okay, so we've done the song, we're ready for our first activity. This first one is another song, because we always have a couple of songs in our maths meetings, and this one is the days of the week. So instead of me singing it to you this time, there is a little video of it, so I hope you join in with the days of the week. And then there'll be some questions to answer afterwards. Okay.
Days of the week, 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 days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week.
Okay, so after singing that song and then seeing the slide of all the days of the week, you can either use that to help you, or you can practice these questions from memory. All you need is a pencil and a paper, and you can pause after each question to have a think and come back to it and get your grown-ups to check whether you've got them right. So question number 1, how many days are there in 1 week? Number 2, if today's Monday, what day was it yesterday? If today is Monday, what day was it 3 days ago? If today is Monday, what day is it in 5 days' time? How many days are there in a fortnight? Bonus question, how many days are there in a year? How would we know that in 21 days' time, the day would still be Monday? You might want to write down and explain your thinking. What is the date today? And practice spelling these days, remembering that all days start with a capital letter. Okay, good luck. So the next thing we're going to look at is the 100 square. So in a minute you'll see 100 square, which hopefully that will help you. You may not need to use 100 square, but what I would like you to do is to practice counting in twos. So starting with 2 and going all the way to 100. If you can do that without looking at the 100 square, you could close your eyes and challenge yourself. And then try counting backwards in twos as well. So starting at 100. What do you notice about these numbers? As in, are they odd or are they even? And all these numbers that are in the 2 times table, counting in twos, they are called multiples of 2s. So that's your next challenge with the 100 square work. Good luck. So the next part of the maths meeting, we are going to be looking at our part, whole model. So if you have a look at the next slide, you'll see what I have done. I've taken the number 57 and I've partitioned it into 2 numbers to make 57. So I've got 50 and I've got 7. And your challenge is to find lots of different ways to make that whole number of 57 by partitioning that whole number into 2 parts. I wonder how many ways you'll come up with. And I'll give you a little bit of time to do that. And then on the next slide, you'll see the answers that I've come up with. But I'll give you a bit of a tip. There are loads of ways So challenge yourself and find out how many different ways can you split that number 57. You can choose any number you like and carry on doing it and keep partitioning that number in different ways. Good luck. Did you find all those different ways of finding the part whole for 57? Did you find more than me? I'm sure you did. And did you use other numbers to partition? So the last part of this maths meeting that we're going to look at is fact families. We're going to be looking at addition and subtraction fact families. And you'll see on the next slide I've given you 3 numbers, the number 34, number 16 and the number 18. And I want you to put them together to make 2 addition number sentences and 2 subtraction number sentences. Remember that addition can be done in any order, but subtraction, we always have to start with the largest number. So good luck, have a go at doing those, and then I'll show you my answers afterwards. So they were the answers to the fact families. And remember, you can make up your own addition and subtraction fact families. You can ask a grown-up to choose 3 numbers for you that you can put together to turn into the addition and subtraction number sentences. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the first maths meeting. There'll be another one next week with more songs and more activities to do. I will also, on the website, I'm putting a maths challenge for year 1 and for year 2 with all different types of maths on it. So work your way through those and enjoy. See you next week. Bye-bye.